Hi everyone, today we're going to be doing loaded sheet pan nachos. So what all goes into loaded sheet pan nachos? 1 pound ground beef, 1 packet taco seasoning, 1 16-ounce jar of salsa, 1 12-ounce bag of tortilla chips. This is an 11-ounce bag. 1 15-ounce can black beans, drained. 1 8.5-ounce can corn, drained. This is 15.25 ounces, so I won't be using the whole thing. 1 small can sliced black olives. 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese. 1/2 cup mozzarella shredded cheese. A small tomato diced. A red onion diced. 1 jalapeno thinly sliced. Fresh cilantro. Sour cream and guacamole for serving. So let's begin. So the first thing that we need to do is preheat the oven to 400 and line a baking sheet with aluminum foil and spray it with non-stick cooking spray. And then you're going to brown 1 pound of ground beef over medium heat. Alright, so my hamburger is browned. And now you'd want to go ahead and drain it. I'm using a 93% lean, so I don't have hardly any fat to drain. So you want to go ahead and add your 16 ounces of salsa. And your 1 package of taco seasoning. And mix that and then heat it thoroughly. Go ahead and put your tortilla chips on the prepared pan, and if you'd like, you could go ahead and make your own chips. Go ahead and check out my homemade salsa and homemade tortilla chips. And then you want to go ahead and top the chips with the meat mixture. And the black beans. And the corn. I might have put a little bit more corn than I needed since I had a bigger can. And the black olives. And then the cheese. So you want to put it into a 400-degree oven for 5 to 6 minutes until it's heated through and the cheese is melted. Okay, so you want to go ahead and top it off with the onions. And the tomatoes. And the jalapeños. And the cilantro. And even though it doesn't call for it, I'm going to add a little bit more cheese on top. And we'll go ahead and serve it with sour cream and guacamole. And there you have the loaded sheet pan nachos, and rounding off the meal is a cheese enchilada. I'll go ahead and get my husband to give it a taste test.
What am I sampling?
Nachos.
Okay. Very tasty. These will be do-agains.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.